हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमने अपने पहले पेपर में 50 क्वेश्चंस किए थे रिलेटेड टू ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट ग्रेड 2 केरला पीएससी का पेपर था। ये पेपर आपका हुआ था 4 अक्टूबर 2024। हमने अपनी पहली वीडियो में 50 क्वेश्चंस किए थे और हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे अगले क्वेश्चन से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 इज़ Pre-requisites for retinoscopy are all except a trial set, distance vision chart, dark room, or ophthalmoscope. Our right answer is D part, ophthalmoscope. Our next question is, do chrome test, which work on the principle of chromatic aberration, is used to refine cylindrical axis, refine cylindrical power, refine sphere and cylinder. Our right answer is C part, refine sphere. Our next question is question number 53. In myopia, the parallel light rays coming from infinity with accommodation at rest are focused in front of retina, behind retina, on the retina and behind the retina. Our right answer is A part, in front of retina. Our next question is, disadvantages of correcting aphakia using spectacles including all except image magnification, removing ring escatoma, pin cushion effect या barrel distortion. Our right answer is D part, barrel distortion, D part. Our next question is, which of the following change take place in the eye during accommodation? Options are curvature of posterior surface of lens changes, anterior pole of lens moves backward, axial thickness of lens decreases, or relaxation of lens granules. Our right answer is D part, relaxation of lens granules. Question number 56 is, which of the following instrument is used to measure near point of accommodation? Options are keratometer, RAF rule, gonioscopy or ophthalmoscope. Our right answer is B part, RAF rule. Question number 57 is, which among the following about presbyopia is correct? Its right answer is C part. In presbyopia, there is a decrease in accommodative power of crystalline lens. Our next question is, with regard to contact lens, which among the following is false? Its right answer is A part. Base curve is the central anterior curve. Our next question is, the following is true about Jackson cross cylinder. Options are, it is a combination of sphere and cylinder. It is used to check the axis of cylinder before power. It is given as a treatment of astigmatism. It is used only in case of hypermetropic astigmatism. Our right answer is B part. It is used to check the axis of cylinder before power. Our next question is question number 60. Which among the following is false regarding keratometry? Its right answer is C part. Jewel-Short's keratometer is based on the principle of constant object size and variable image size. Next question is question number 61. All of the following are true regarding tonometer except. Its right answer is C part. Short tonometer starts with 7.5 gram weight with additional weight to make it 10 grams and 15 grams. Question number 62 is which of the following test is used for calculating intraocular power, lens power? Options are A scan, B scan, ultrasound, biomicroscopy या OCT. Its right answer is A part, A scan. Our next question is question number 63. Which of the following is a type of static perimetry? Octopus, Humphrey field analyzer, both A and B, and none of the above. Its right answer is both A and B, C part. Our next question is question number 64. All are true about placoid disc except. Friends, its right answer is C part. Suitable for cornea with epithelial defect or stromal ulcer. Our next question is regarding the calculation of intraocular lens power, which among the following is false? Its right answer is A part. It is more influenced by error in keratometry measurement than axial length. After implantation of intraocular lens, patient will have clear distance and near vision by which of the following method? It is a question number 66. Its right answer is D part, all of the above. Our next question is question number 67. After simple transposition of lens plus 2 diopter spherical oblique minus 0.50 diopter cylindrical at 60 degree, the answer obtained is. Its right answer is A part. Now question number 68 is all regarding bifocal glasses are correct except. Its right answer is B part. Fused bifocal involved combining two lenses with same refractive index. Next question is which of the following is true about cylindrical lens? Options are its power is 90 degree to the axis of lens. Lens form a focal line parallel to its axis. It has one plane surface and other curved surface, या all of the above. Its right answer is D part, all of the above. Our next question is regarding astigmatism, all are true except. Its right answer is C part. It is corrected by convex spherical lens. Question number 71 is the physiological optical defect in human eye include all except. Options are chromatic aberration, prismatic aberration, diffraction, or spherical aberration. Its right answer is B part, prismatic aberration. Our next question is in ophthalmology, prism are used in evaluation of strabismus, ophthalmic instruments, low vision aids, or all of the above. Its right answer is D part, all of the above. Our next question is optical condition in which refraction of the two eyes differ in variety and degree is named as anisoconia, anisometropia, anisocoria, ametropia. Options are, so answer is B part and isometropia. Next question is question number 74. Convex lens is used in the treatment of all except keratoconus, aphakia, presbyopia, or residual hypermetropia. Its answer is A part, keratoconus. Our next question is astigmatism is a type of axial ametropia, curvature ametropia, index ametropia, or positional ametropia. Its right answer is B part, curvatural ametropia. Our next question is incident parallel ray of light coming to focus posterior to the light sensitive layer of retina in all except hypermetropia, myopia, aphakia, or presbyopia. Its answer is B part, myopia. Question number 77 is Stump's conoid represent refraction through a convex lens, convex surface, concave surface, toric surface, or none of the above. Its right answer is toric surface. Our next question is misdirected eyelashes are termed as dichiasis, madrosis, poliosis, or trichosis. Its right answer is trichiasis. Our next question is question number 79. The test for measuring near secretion is Roplast test, syringing test, Jones dye test, या Schimmer's test. Its right answer is C part, Schimmer's test. Our next question is question number 80. Biotic spots is seen in vitamin C deficiency, vitamin A deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency, or vitamin K deficiency. Its right answer is B part, vitamin A deficiency. Next question is corneal trauma with vegetative matter often leads to bacterial corneal ulcer, fungal corneal ulcer, viral corneal ulcer, acanthamoeba corneal ulcer. Our right answer is B part, fungal corneal ulcer. Next question is question number 82. The feature of iridocyclitis include all except hypopyon, keratic precipitates, complicated cataract, or emphysema. Its right answer is D part, emphysema. Our next question is question number 83. Features of hypermature cataract include milky white cataract, brown nucleus sinking down, elastic capsule with calcification, या all of the above. Its right answer is all of the above, D part. Question number 84 is in patient with total cataract, retina is evaluated by ultrasound, direct ophthalmoscopy, indirect ophthalmoscopy, or slit lamp biomicroscopy. Its right answer is A part, ultrasound. Our next question is question number 85. Which of the following statement about glaucoma is incorrect? Its right answer is C part. It is always associated with raised intraocular pressure. Our next question is, investigation needs to diagnose glaucoma include tonometry, perimetry, gonioscopy, all of the above. Its right answer is all of the above, D part. Our next question is, IOP measurement using rapid ear pulse to flatten the cornea is done by non-contact tonometer, applanation tonometer, Short's tonometry, and none of the above. Its right answer is A part, non-contact tonometry. Our next question is, the gold standard method of visual field assessment in case of glaucoma is Bedram's perimeter method, confrontation method, Humphrey field analyzer methods, Lister's perimetry method. Its right answer is C part, Humphrey field analyzer method. Our next question is question number 89. Typical field defect in primary open angle glaucoma include all field, altitudinal field defect, accurate field defect, Siedel's escitoma, tabular field defect. Its right answer is A part, altitudinal field defect. Next question is, the type of glaucoma considered as silent thief of sight is congenital glaucoma, primary narrow angle glaucoma, primary open angle glaucoma, या neovascular glaucoma. Its right answer is primary open angle glaucoma. Our next question is, treatment of glaucoma includes, options are topical drops, trabeculotomy, laser treatments, या all of the above. Its right answer is D part, all of the above. Our next question is question number 92. In case of eye donation, cornea is collected within dash hours of death, 4, 8, 6 or 10. Its right answer is B part, within 6 hours of death. Next question is question number 93. Optical aid using in rehabilitation of low vision patient include all except white cane, magnifiers, prism या telescope. Its right answer is white cane. Next question is question number 94. Nowadays, ophthalmic instruments are sterilized by all except autoclave, ETO sterilization, plasma sterilization, hot air oven. Its right answer is D part. Its right answer is hot air oven, D part. Next question is, the initial step in binocular single vision is fusion, stereopsis, stimulus prescription, या vergence. Its right answer is simultaneously perception, C part. Next question is question number 96 is, the refractive error associated with esotropia is, options are hypermetropia, myopia, astigmatism, या all of the above. Its right answer is A part, hypermetropia. Next question is question number 97. Causes for amblyopia includes all sensory deprivation, myopia, anisometropia or strabismus. Its right answer is B part, myopia. Next question is deviation of one eye inferiorly is termed as exotropia, esotropia, hypotropia or hypertropia. Its right answer is C part, hypotropia. Next question is retained iron foreign body causes sidrosis, chalcosis, argyrosis या none of the above. Its right answer is A part, sidrosis. Our last question is target diseases identified for Vision 2020 in India includes all except onchocerciasis, trachoma, corneal blindness या diabetic retinopathy. Its right answer is A part, onchocerciasis. Thank you friends.